Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get Odoo certification. Want to get Odoo certified and boost your career? In this video, I'll explain the Odoo certification process requirements and how to pass the exam. The first step is to choose the right Odoo certification. Odoo offers two main certifications. Odoo functional certification, which is made for business users and consultants, and Odoo's technical certification, which is made for developers and technical experts. Let's look for Odoo functional certification. You can click on the website right here. Now these certifications cost $150. So you're gonna have to pay the sum to earn that to pass the exam. Now after you pay for the certain certification, first you have to prepare for the certification exam. And to do that, study Odoo's official documentation at odoo.com/documentation and take free courses on Odoo's learning platform and practice by working on real Odoo projects. As for the third step is to register for the certification exam. And to do that, just go to odoo.com like you did here and go to certification and choose a certification type and pay the exam fee. As you can see here, you can click on add cards and finish the procedure. And the exam is online and multiple choices and time limited. The fourth step is to take the exam and get certified. The exam usually lasts 90 minutes with 16 or plus questions, so you need at least 70% correct answers to pass. Now after passing, you'll get an official Odoo certificate. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to get Odoo certified. Follow these steps, prepare well, and pass the exam to boost your Odoo career or business expertise. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.